Welcome to the channel. Today's video, I'm going to go over a little product that I got from TCMT. TCMT is a company, aftermarket company, for some motorcycle products, mainly for Harley Davidsons. They have other brands, Hondas, and stuff like that. They have like body panels and saddlebags, foot pegs, floorboards, a whole bunch of different products for different motorcycle aftermarket products. But anyway, I contacted them to see if they send me a product for me to do a review on, and they sent it out to me. So this, just to let you know, they did send this to me. And if you're interested in this product, there'll be a link in the description below. So I wanted to, dress up my bike a little bit, and this product ain't that expensive, so, I thought I'd give it a try. On the left side of the bike, where you got your shifter here and stuff, I got my bike is blacked out. And you got this wrinkle black finish here and stuff like this. So behind my shifter lever, there is a, I guess you call it a cylinder base, So I asked them to send me their cylinder base cover. And it'll just cover up this spot right here. Right here, if you can see. Like I said, link will be in the description below if you're interested. First thing comes in the package, is rolled up, is your one little bolt. But it's a bolt with a spacer. So you're gonna have to take one of your bolts out of your motor and replace it with this. And then we'll just pull this out. And all this is another metal piece that's just all black and it's not wrinkle finish. So this will go in like this. All right. Looks pretty cool. And I'll show you what we got to do to install this. All right, the first thing you need to do is take off your front bolt here for your shifter linkage. I have an aftermarket shifter linkage on there, so it's different than, I can't tell you what size yours is, depending on what you have, but just take off the front bolt here.
A few moments later.
All right. There we go. And then we just set this out of the way. Next thing is to take out this bolt here. Okay. I think it's a 1/2 inch. Let's see. Yep, 1/2 inch. Okay, take out your bolt. Okay, since you got the bolt out, you can just set this in here. Right there, like that. Now when you put it up there, you can see, I don't know if you can see or not, if you look in the hole, there's a little bit of a gap. So what you will need to do when you put this bolt in, is you'll need to slide this spacer behind this here, and then slide your bolt in. Okay, I'm gonna go grab a little bit of Loctite and put Loctite on here, and I'll be right back. So I got some blue Loctite on, so I'm just gonna separate this a little bit here. Put my bolt in, my spacer. Okay. All right. And so this is not a bolt. Now this has a Allen head on it, so you need a 5 millimeter hex. Okay. And you need to tighten this up to 15 foot-pounds, I think, 15 to 19 foot-pounds. But I'm just gonna hand tighten it. That's all it was. Here. It's in there. Gives it a nice little polished look now instead of the black wrinkle. All right, and then put your shifter linkage back on. And that's all you need to do.
A few moments later.
Okay, it's all put back together. What do you think? A little different, a little shinier. Just a little, gives it a little, little bit better touch to the bike. I like it. Easy install. All right, there you go. Nice, quick, easy project. Only took a few minutes. Simple. The TCMT cylinder base cover, relatively cheap. Easy to install. And it gives your bike just a little added touch. You know, something different. Like I said, link will be in the description below. Check out their whole website, depending on what you got. They do a lot of Harley stuff. They do saddlebags, foot pegs, body panels. They even have some Honda Goldwing stuff. You can build, replace your whole Honda Goldwing panels kit if you need to. Check them out. TCMT. But anyway, link will be in the description below for this part if you're interested. And you know what to do. Hit all those buttons. That subscribe, that thumbs up, leave a comment below. What do you think? And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.